and folklore. In India, Hindus know the god Shiva as the destroyer. He destroys things which are no longer needed, but also allows new things to be created. So he is said to control life and death. He is shown in many forms. As Lord of the Dance, he brings the dance of life to an end, so the new cycle of life can begin.
Ayan, medyo pinapa-excite lang po tayo ng konti. So we have an award for Best in Costume. So nakita niyo lang ako.
Yaman talaga ng mga itsura. Alam mo ba si Sir? Si Sir Paul hindi makatulog sa ano niya.
Yan, tumatagalin pa rin ang exposure. Para daw ma-enjoy niyo ang inyong costume. Okay, so siguro kulang lang po sa palakpak. Palakpakan po natin ang third year students. Talagang bongga.
My best friend.
So minor technical problem, inaayos na po ng kanilang advisor. Okay, so yung binanggit po namin kanina, we have a special award for the most disciplined or the most orderly class during our parade. So we are proud to say na napaka-successful po at napaka-ayos nung ginanap na parade last Wednesday. So may award po doon. And we'll also be giving another surprise award mamaya po. Sasabihin namin kung ano yon. And then for our team and logo, meron po tayong winners dyan na nagkaroon po tayo ng contest. So inabot na po kanina ng ating directress, Mrs. Susana Baltazar, yung cash prize. Actually, we have 2 students who won in the logo and team making contest. Okay, so, kamusta? Sobrang exposure na. And later, the winner of our Parent and Child Talent Contest yesterday, magpe-perform po right after ng performance ng ating 4th year students. Aside from the winner of our Parent and Child Talent Contest, for our information number, we also have special guests. Okay, guess who? We have the Soda Sisters to perform for us today. Later, so pagkatapos po ng performances ng ating high school students. Okay, so we have a lot of numbers at stake for our guests and our parents for today. Okay, so okay na daw? Let's start once again. A big hand for the 3rd year Spain students. third year staying students with their Indian names. For